Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable and use dual connection for your headphones EDIFIER STAX S5. So right here we have a first device what connected with the headphones and also have an application, and the second one do not connect it with the headphones. Now, on your first device, open EDIFIER Connect app. Of course, you need to add these headphones to the application. And after that, you go to the settings at the right top. And right here at the third line, we have multi-point connection. Tap at this line and make sure that it enabled. So, tap at this light if it disabled and confirm. With EDIFIER headphones we have this trouble that after you enable it, it can just disconnect from your phone. Okay, this time it will reconnect automatically. I had some earbuds and it don't want to reconnect automatically. We need to remove it and add to the phone, but not this time. Amazing. So let's return to the application and check is we enable this dual connection mode. Okay, here we go. Yes, we have it. Now, what you should do? Open settings on your second device and go to connected devices or Bluetooth. Then, if you have Android at the top, click pair new device. But this button not available for all Android devices, so maybe you don't need to click on it. Now we need to enter prank mode. So my headphones turn on. And then I need to only press and hold this Bluetooth button, what located near to the volume down button and USB-C port at the right ear cup, until the LED lights start flashing white and blue. So here we go, let's go. Okay, now we have it, see this? And now we need to tap at this headphones device list, and if you have the same that you have you need to tap at the device with this headphones icon, not with the Bluetooth, and then click pair. And now we pair it with the second device, and on your first device let's go to the settings and to the Bluetooth and tap at this line here. And now as you can see that it connected with the both of these devices, so we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!